So in today's video, we are going to be learning how to use Bolt app completely. Now this app is more or less an alternative to Uber application. So if you know how to use Uber applications, the steps are going to be almost the same. So opening up the Bolt app very quickly, this is how the first interface looks like. And right here, you need to allow access to your location with Bolt because location is very necessary with these particular applications. Go ahead and click on to allow once. So if you already have an account with Bolt, what you need to do is enter your phone number and log in, or you can sign up using your phone number very easily. If you are logging in, a 4-digit is going to be sent to your phone number. Enter that and then continue with the verification process. So once you have successfully logged in onto your Bolt application, this is basically how the interface looks like. Now, first of all, you are given 20% promo for the first 5 trips that you go on with the first start of your application. So if you click onto the menu icon, you have your information available right here. Your name or your profile is seen right here. Go ahead and click on it where you can be able to see everything about your profile. If you want to delete your account also, it's very easy for you to do right here. You can go back and then decide the kind of payment method that you want. So if you click onto the payment method, you can decide to go with cash or add your debit or credit card in order to pay with your bank account anytime you order a trip. You can also be given vouchers or promo codes which you can use in order to have your Bolt payment account topped up right here. If we go back, I'm going to be showing you a lot more things you can be able to do with this particular application. If you have engaged in some trips already, you can be able to see that with your trips. So should in case you want to revisit your old trips and then check out the details of the drivers or cars that you've used in the past, you can click onto my trips and then you will be able to have the details of all the cars you've used in the past. Now if you click onto the promotions available, you enter a promo code and then you are going to be shown the necessary promotions available. Now you can get a promo code by referring other people onto this particular application also if you want. Now like I said, if you open up the application, first of all, you are going to be given a 20% promotion or commission for the 5 first trips that you are going to have. So that is what has been applied to me. You can also earn money with both applications. If you have a car and you want to turn that into a business, you can click on to become a driver. That is going to ask for some details of yourself and then you are going to be using your car to make money with both applications. Now we have Bolt Food. With this you can be able to order food to any location at all you find yourself. So basically that is it with the menu. If you come on to how you can be able to order a ride, I'm going to be showing you that in a couple of seconds, but then you can send or receive parcels using both applications. So if you click onto Bolt Send, a driver is going to come up to you. You are going to be sending the package to exactly where you want it to be sent. You can also order food, which I've talked about as Bolt Food. The food is going to be delivered to you at any location at all you find yourself. So if you click onto where to, this is basically how it looks. If you turn on your location, which we've done in the first minute of this video, you can see that my location has been given, that is the pickup point, and then the destination I'm going, that is the final destination, is what is needed right here. You can click onto the map and then the map is going to dictate, or you are going to be selecting from the map where you are going, or you can manually type that in. But then again, they have some popular places below, so if you do not want to type that in manually, you can check through if you have seen your location. If you have not, go ahead and click onto the destination and then manually type exactly where you are going to. Now once you are typing, several locations are going to be brought forth. Make sure you look through and then find exactly where you are going, because there are several locations with the same name that you are going to be typing. So once you have found the location you are trying to type, go ahead and click on it, and then you are going to be deciding the method of payment. We have cash and then we have the debit or credit card option also available. If you click onto the debit card option or the credit card option, you are going to be paying upfront. But if you click onto the cash, you will be paying what the trip is going to be giving you at the end of the trip. So if you click onto the cash, wait for the amount to be brought to you. There you have it. We have several rides with different amounts available. So we have Comfort, which you can see that the price is relatively very high compared to other options available. We have Economy, and then we have Sending packages as well also available. So if you are okay with what is being given to you, go ahead and click on to confirm order. Now with time or some seconds, you are going to be shown the driver that is coming to pick you up. You have a choice to communicate with the driver once they have accepted your trip. So currently, alright, so the driver has just accepted. You can go ahead and click on to chat, where you'll be able to communicate with the driver and then know how long it's going to take for them to be with you. You can also give them a call by clicking onto the call option right here if you want. But then again, if for some reasons after you've ordered the trip you do not want to go anymore, scroll all the way down and then click on to cancel. You have the contact of the driver, and then you can be able to share the trip details with your family members in order to be assured of safety in case of anything. So talking about cancel of trip, go ahead and click on it if you want to cancel, and then cancel right. Now basically that is how it works. You are given to state reasons for the cancellation. If you think any of the reasons here is what is the reason for your cancellation, tick it, or you can give other reasons as well if you want. You can state that yourself or select any of the reasons and then click onto down. Now basically that is going to cancel the trip that you have ordered, but then again, no commission or no added fee is going to be added to your next trip in case you want to order another ride again. So one more thing before we move on is you can also be able to order for reserved trips. So if you click onto this particular option, you have trip reservations which are made easier than ever. Click on to reserve a trip and you are going to be given the time and the period that you want the trip to begin. Go ahead and set all those periods and then confirm that, so that when the time comes and then you have a trip which you might forget, the driver that is coming to pick you up will be able to call you and then let you know that they are coming over to pick you up. So basically that has been it. If there's something that you want to know on how you can be able to use this particular Bolt application, leave that in the comment section. And talking about a pickup point which I've mentioned, you can decide to change your pickup point at any time depending on your location. And then that is it for Bolt application. Thank you so much for your time, and I will be able to see you again in the next one. Please subscribe.